In this video, I'm going to be disassembling this yardmax track barrow to get the parts needed to build the track chair. I'll start off by removing the engine, and I'll loosen up the springs that hold the tension on the tracks. I'll get them out and flip it over, and get the tracks off. Alright, next I'm going to get some PB blaster, spray it on the bolts that hold the transmission onto the frame. And I'll loosen up all these bolts. There's 2 on the top, 2 in the bottom. This piece right here is one of the pieces we're going to need to save for the track chair. I'll get the other side done. And here's the transmission. So the only thing from the transmission I'm going to be saving are the cogs and the bolts to go through them. So now we're going to loosen up this front plate, take it off to get at the tension wheels. And that's another part I'm going to save, is the 2 of the tension wheels in the front. I'm not going to need that front plate. Okay, so I start chopping it up. I got the old engine mount off, just like that. When you cut it, you want to cut it kind of flush with the rail. I'll cut the rest up. And just like that. And get the other side. So the next bar is going to be taking the cogs off the transmission axles. One side I had to cut off and put it in a vise, beat the shaft out, and the other side I was able to beat it off with a hammer. Now I got the cogs off the shaft. We're going to come to the tension wheels and we're going to cut them off. You want to cut right there, and we're going to be using them in part 2 once I start assembling the track chair. And these are all the parts that I'm going to be using in the track chair. So part 2 coming.